Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Karina, new makeup artist still in the studying process, and today I'm gonna have a practice makeup inspired by the day and night. And the makeup will be on the two beautiful models and my friends Eloise and Charlotte. Meet my friends.
Hi, I'm Charlotte. Hi, I'm Eloise. And we're getting our makeup done today by Karina. We're twins if you haven't noticed already. I'm going to be the sun. Karina already said the makeup's inspired by day and night, so I'm going to be the sun. I'm dressed brightly and happy vibes. So Charlotte's going to be... I'm going to be the moon because I came dressed like this and it seems quite fitting.
So I have a surprise for the girls. I've got a box from a Lookfantastic and the girls didn't know about it. This Lookfantastic box is a box for August. I've not opened that before, as you can see, so I have no idea what is inside. And together with the girls we're gonna have a quick look what is inside, and by the end of the makeup the girls gonna decide what they're gonna take with them. It's gonna be my little present for them. Oh, it's not opening properly. So that's a box for August.
Other way around.
So we're gonna see in the end of the video what is inside.
Sorry, my stomach.
So the first makeup is ready. That's the time for a second now. The girls are already tired. It's 2 hours, even more than 2 hours is passed. So and the time for a second makeup. So that's Eloise for it on the chair, and we're gonna do the sun makeup now. And since it's gonna be the start of it gonna be kind of similar, we're gonna miss that and see you later on when we're gonna start drawing. Okay, so our both makeups are done, and that's what we've got just now. So girls, do you like it?
Love it, yeah.
And now, as I promised, we're gonna open a Lookfantastic box, see what is inside, and the girls can pick anything they like for themselves. So, here is our Lookfantastic box, and when we open it up, inside is always a lid.
There is no magazine this time.
This time we need to download something on the app and see what is inside. Oh, I really don't want to do that just now. I prefer my little magazines. Like, see over there, I have so many of them. Well, anyway, what is inside? Inside this box, we can straight away see some kind of natural essential masks. Do you ever seen that before?
No.
Have you ever tried before? To be honest, I never tried before as well. I don't know this company as well, so that's something new to try. And I guess that's just a wee mask for a face. Next one is a glove. Lookfantastic loves to send us our different gloves, sponges and that kind of stuff. And that's a makeup remover or a mask remover, whenever you like to use that for. Next thing, what is this? Perfect hair dry, living proof. That's a dry shampoo, and that's a really good quality dry shampoo. Do you know these ones?
No, I've never seen it before, but...
Yeah, so Lookfantastic sending us a good products where we can try and see if you're gonna buy it again, because you're not gonna buy that in a shop. I've never seen them in a shop before. Smoothie body lotion. You think how it smells like? I've never tried that before again. I don't know what it's like. It smells lovely.
That's lovely. Oh,
Nice and
that's so
fresh.
nice.
Yeah, if you're going for holidays, that's just the perfect size of the body lotion you can take with you.
Yeah.
Okay, what else? Strong Hold hairspray. I actually got one of them in my bag. I'm always wearing that with me, and it's perfect for my bag size, and I really like that as well. It does look good on your hair. Okay,
That's so cute.
it's a nice one, isn't it? And it should be 6 products. Every box has 6 products on it. So, ooh, that's something tiny and small. What is that? Illumination blush. Ooh, and that's from C8 London. Do you know this one here?
No, I've never heard
No?
of them.
I don't have anything from that company as well, so I'm wondering how is it gonna look like. Oh,
Can't even get your finger in it.
no. Oh, I've opened it. Oh, it looks like a bit damaged, but I hope it's still usable and fine. Oh,
that's so cute. A nice shade.
it looks nice.
Yeah, it does. Oh,
sparkly.
that's lovely. I like that.
Okay, girls. So, you can pick anything you like from this box.
Are you sure?
Yes, definitely. I get in these boxes every month. Every month I'm trying something new. Honestly, I have so much makeup just now, so I don't think I will manage to use so much. So, anything you like.
Oh God, what a decision. Can I take the dry shampoo?
Definitely.
So handy to have. Can I take the wee blusher?
Absolutely. I have too
Because
many
I've
of
not
them.
got like a sparkly
Yeah.
blusher, I've only got like a wee matte one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for coming for makeup.
Thank you for having us. Thank
Oh,
you.
it was really nice. It was really fun to have you then, and I spent a good time. It was a good practice, and we all need a sleep just now. It's what's the time is now? It's night time now.
It's 11 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock. We all need to go to bed.
Yeah.
So thanks guys for watching. Put your likes. Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe.
Yay! Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos. Have a nice time. Have a lovely day. See you later. Bye.
Bye.